What if I told you there's a quiet revolution happening in the tech sector, far from the daily headlines, where savvy investors are placing bets on companies poised for truly explosive growth? While the mainstream focuses on the usual suspects, a select group of tech innovators is flying under the radar, with analysts predicting unprecedented upside. Today, we're diving deep into 9 such hidden gems, companies that could redefine your portfolio and deliver the kind of returns most only dream of. Stick around because you absolutely do not want to miss these. Let's jump right in. Our 9th pick is Atlassian, ticker TEAM, a software giant commanding significant attention for its recent strategic moves. With 64 hedge funds holding positions and an impressive analyst upside potential of 40.62%, Atlassian recently forged a multi-year partnership with Google Cloud. This collaboration is designed to accelerate cloud adoption and enhance AI capabilities for customers worldwide, integrating Atlassian's powerhouse applications like Jira, Confluence, and Loom onto Google Cloud's AI-optimized platform. This move is projected to significantly boost their AI monthly active users and strengthen their market footing. The company recently exceeded FQ4 2025 revenue and EPS estimates, driven by a robust 26% growth in cloud revenue, reflecting strong operational performance. Despite these adjustments, a buy rating from Citi underscores continued confidence in its long-term trajectory and indispensable role in collaborative software. Next up at number 8, we have Kyndryl Holdings, Inc., ticker KD, a critical player in modernizing technology infrastructure, boasting an analyst upside potential of 41.55% and held by 36 hedge funds. Kyndryl is making aggressive moves into the AI sector, notably with a $2.25 billion investment in India over the next 3 years. This substantial capital injection aims to modernize India's tech infrastructure and establish an AI innovation lab in Bengaluru, fostering future-ready talent and promoting AI technology. The company also plans to train 200,000 people and deepen its collaboration with the Indian government on AI projects. Earlier, Kyndryl reinforced its commitment to AI education by signing the White House's Pledge to America's Youth. These strategic investments underscore Kyndryl's ambition to become a dominant force in AI infrastructure and education, positioning it for long-term growth as global AI adoption accelerates. Coming in at number 7 is Elastic NV, ticker ESTC, a data analytics powerhouse with 59 hedge funds invested and an analyst upside potential of 42.25%. The company recently impressed Wall Street, with Brian White from Monex raising his price target significantly following stellar fiscal first quarter 2026 results. Elastic NV exceeded revenue estimates by nearly $18 million and EPS expectations by $0.18, showcasing robust growth. Cloud services revenue surged by 24%, a key driver of this performance. Management has confidently raised its revenue and earnings forecast for both the upcoming quarter and the full fiscal year, signaling strong momentum. Elastic's platform helps users extract crucial insights from vast datasets, making it an indispensable tool in an increasingly data-driven world, especially as AI continues to expand its reach. Our 6th stock is Chime Financial, Incorporated, ticker CHYM, a financial technology innovator that has captured the attention of 46 hedge funds and carries an impressive analyst upside potential of 43.88%. Chime recently announced a strategic partnership with Workday, a leading HR and financial management platform, integrating its Chime Workplace into Workday Wellness. Chime Workplace is the company's comprehensive financial wellness platform, offering employees tools for money management, savings, and credit building, all now accessible directly through employers' existing HR systems. Chime's core business revolves around providing mobile banking services without traditional fees, partnering with FDIC-insured banks to offer checking accounts, debit cards, and secured credit cards. This expansion into corporate wellness through a major platform like Workday positions Chime for substantial user base growth and broader market penetration. At number 5, we feature Freshworks Inc., ticker FRSH, a software-as-a-service leader in customer and employee experience solutions. With 35 hedge funds holding positions and a compelling analyst upside potential of 44.77%, Freshworks has earned bullish sentiment from Wall Street. The company recently delivered a strong fiscal second quarter of 2025, topping both revenue and EPS estimates. Its revenue of $204.68 million surpassed expectations by over $5.7 million, and EPS of $0.18 beat by $0.06. Analysts like Piper Sandler and Oppenheimer have reiterated their bullish ratings, noting the company's strong financial health and efficient growth model, exceeding the Rule of 40 with a 27% free cash flow margin. Despite general caution around small-cap software-as-a-service stocks, Freshworks is demonstrating a robust and scalable business. The company anticipates full-year revenue between $822.9 million and $828.9 million, reflecting a solid 14% to 15% growth. This strong performance, coupled with a focus on efficient growth, makes Freshworks a compelling investment in the enterprise software space. Our fourth pick is Clearwater Analytics Holdings, Inc., ticker CWAN, a cloud-native investment management platform with a substantial analyst upside potential of 52.39% and held by 51 hedge funds. Analysts are bullish after Clearwater Analytics topped revenue estimates in its fiscal second quarter of 2025, posting $181.94 million, a remarkable 70.37% year-over-year increase. The company's earnings per share remained in line with consensus, demonstrating consistent performance. Key highlights include new client wins, such as Germany's largest public insurer and a major international bank, showcasing its expanding global footprint and validating its integrated platform strategy. The company boasts strong revenue retention rates, with a gross retention rate of 98% and a net retention rate of 110%. Following these positive updates, Goldman Sachs upgraded the stock from neutral to buy, and RBC Capital maintained a buy rating, setting price targets as high as $36. Clearwater's unified system for portfolio management, trading, accounting, and risk analytics makes it an indispensable tool for institutional investors, solidifying its position for continued growth. Next, at number 3, we have Duolingo, Inc., ticker DUOL, the mobile language learning giant. With 55 hedge funds invested and an astounding analyst upside potential of 64.51%, Duolingo maintains a strong grip on its market segment. Raymond James analyst Alexander Sklar highlights the company's success due to its highly gamified product design, which significantly boosts user engagement and retention. While acknowledging Google Translate's new language features, Sklar believes Duolingo's structured learning paths are superior for long-term retention compared to Google's more open-ended AI interactions. Despite potential future threats from Google's evolving AI tools, Sklar notes, Google currently lacks key features like tailored video call experiences and detailed grammar guidance. While the analyst sees strong potential, he maintains a cautious hold rating due to these competitive challenges. Coming in at number 2 is Strategy Inc., ticker MSTR, formerly MicroStrategy, a company that has uniquely positioned itself at the intersection of Bitcoin treasury and business intelligence. With 45 hedge funds invested and an analyst upside potential of 75.23%, Strategy Inc. is drawing significant attention for its aggressive Bitcoin strategy. The company recently blew past Wall Street consensus with its Q2 2025 earnings release, largely driven by a steep Bitcoin rally. It delivered $114.49 million in revenue, exceeding consensus by nearly $2 million, and an EPS of $32.60, which topped expectations by a staggering $25.84. Analysts like Dan Dolev from Mizuho Securities and Joseph Vafi from Canaccord Genuity have reiterated buy ratings, with price targets ranging up to $586, reflecting strong bullish sentiment. Strategy Inc. provides AI-powered enterprise analytics software through its cloud-native platform, Strategy One, but its primary market narrative continues to be its significant Bitcoin holdings. This dual focus makes it a high-conviction bet for investors seeking exposure to both enterprise AI and the cryptocurrency market. Our top pick is Aurora Innovation Incorporated, ticker AUR, with a staggering analyst upside potential of 113.14% and held by 41 hedge funds. This company is at the forefront of the autonomous vehicle revolution. Aurora recently announced a groundbreaking partnership with McLeod Software, a leading provider of transportation management solutions. Together, they are developing the industry's first transportation management system specifically designed for autonomous trucks. This innovative system will enable customers to seamlessly manage and track autonomous truck operations directly through McLeod's existing TMS platform. By integrating Aurora driver technology via an API, carriers will gain enhanced ease and real-time visibility for scheduling, dispatching, and monitoring autonomous shipments. Aurora Innovation's self-driving platform is designed to work across various vehicle types, from passenger cars to large trucks, positioning it as a critical enabler of future logistics and transportation. This partnership solidifies its path to commercialization and highlights its mission-critical role in the future of autonomous trucking. Now, let's take a look at the raw numbers of these 9 tech stocks. When we talk about market capitalization, Strategy Inc. is the clear behemoth at $93 billion, while Freshworks Inc. is considerably smaller at $4 billion, presenting a greater potential for explosive growth if its model scales. Revenue figures vary wildly. Kyndryl leads with a massive $15 billion, indicating a vast operational footprint, whereas Aurora Innovation has not yet reported revenue, emphasizing its pre-revenue growth phase where valuation is based on future potential. Now, for profitability, gross margin tells an interesting story. Chime Financial boasts an incredible 86.72%, followed closely by Freshworks and Atlassian, both above 80%, indicating highly efficient, software-driven business models. In stark contrast, Aurora Innovation shows a deeply negative gross margin of negative 5,300%, a typical characteristic of innovative companies in heavy R&D phases. Finally, earnings per share reveals the bottom line. Strategy Inc. stands out with a robust $11.36 per share, and Duolingo follows with $2.41, showcasing strong profitability. However, many of these high-potential growth stocks like Chime, Atlassian, and Elastic are still in the red on EPS, which is common for companies heavily reinvesting in growth and market expansion. But Clearwater and Kyndryl are delivering positive EPS, demonstrating a blend of growth and current profitability. So, there you have it. 9 tech stocks with the highest upside potential that are fundamentally transforming their respective sectors. Which of these tech innovators do you believe has the strongest potential to become a market leader in the next 5 years? And why? Drop your thoughts, insights, and predictions in the comments section below. And here are 7 best AI stocks to buy, according to hedge funds.